Hello, my name is Gail Weaver. The 8th row is waiting, so let's start our cozy tatting innings. Okay, this row is pretty simple as well, and this is the beginning. The ring, chain, 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 ring, and so on. The only moment I want you to pay attention is we need to make a joint picot to these two picots at the same time. 1 and 2. So 1 and 2. Oops. Once again. 1, 2, 1 and 2. Okay, here we go. Again, make this thread from the ball straight. And make another chain. And this is the result of this row. Yeah. And that's it. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to support me, please scan this QR code or visit my Etsy shop. Have a great time tatting. See you next video. Bye.